just to go over how AutoCAD reads or takes the input of line dimensions. Please note that it is the stuff up on the board. I'll demonstrate it on the screen as well. So let's just pull a line for the sake of demonstration. Click on line, and let's get that somewhere on the screen. Whoops. Line, click on the screen, and you hit the left mouse button and let go. You'll have a line. So you could draw a line just anywhere. Okay, but if you want a specific line distance, let's go into that original box or rectangle that we made so that we could keep it kind of fenced off. Line, and click into space. Oh, right now if you have a grid on, you'll notice that the sighting of the grid or visibility of the grid can come on or off. You could keep it on if you want. If it's bothering you, you could turn it off. This next part right here, it says snap mode, snap on the grid. You notice that if I have this highlighted, your cursor will only move at that 6-inch snap that we set up earlier, right? So just know that if we don't want it to go sit anywhere on the snap, take that off and you'll kind of let the cursor or line input anywhere. I'm going to keep it on for now. That way I could keep it onto the snap setting and go from there. If I create a line and put it somewhere in here, and we want it to go a certain distance towards the positive direction, I could say, let's just say 5 foot, and click on the side, whoops, I guess I didn't do it, line, L, select area, and then 5 foot, enter, and then click anywhere on that side that you want the line to go to, and it will arrive, or it will show up there. I think I clicked twice, so there it is. It's 2 lines right now, but it should have been that original 5 foot line. Okay. Not everything is going to fall within that nice 1 foot increment. So if that is the case, go ahead and when you put the line, click and then say, we could type in a distance like 3 foot. If we type in 3 foot, oops, don't forget your at symbol because it is relative, at 3 foot 4 hyphen 1/2. You could put the inch symbol or not, it doesn't matter, because at that point you're relying on the default unit. So I'm just going to put this inch mark on, and then if I do that, it should have lined up. So at 3 foot 4 1/2. Enter, and it should. What that's saying is that when we draw or when we type in a command or a length, normally we read things as 3 foot 4 1/2 inch, right? But in AutoCAD, forget the hyphen between the foot and the inch. Instead, put the hyphen within the fraction or between the fraction of an inch. Okay, so what that means is that, let me just demonstrate this on. So what that means is that when I'm typing in a command for a distance, we say 3 foot, and then no hyphen, just put whatever the inch mark is, inch, and if there's a fraction, type in the hyphen and then the fraction of an inch. Okay? Like I said, normally when we read a dimension, it'll say stuff like 3 foot hyphen 4 and a half inch, right? Oops, half inch. But when you put it into AutoCAD, we want to get it as this format. Okay, so just remember, no hyphen between the inch and the foot. The hyphen is between the inch and the fraction of an inch.